everyone. Welcome back to the Planet V. Today, join me as I take you to my first trip to Africa, starting with a journey through the turquoise waters, sandy beaches, and colorful culture of this stunning African destination. Get ready to experience the best of Zanzibar in this exciting vlog.
Hey you guys, we just got the key of our room with a view of the pool and the Indian Ocean plus a nearby village. I'm gonna show you how it looks like.
It's actually not room for two, it's room for three. We have a neighbor. Look there.
The lizards here in Tanzania, they are green.
We had an all-inclusive deal with the Zanzibar Bay Resort Hotel located on the east coast of Zanzibar and offers beachfront accommodation with an outdoor pool, a restaurant, a bar, and a private beach area. The hotel also provides various activities and services like spa treatments, which we availed and enjoyed a lot. All meals were covered, and we had access to unlimited drinks from all the bars of the hotel.
So what do you think so far?
Great place to relax. Never boring. Always have something to do.
And tonight we have a show.
Yes.
It's
The what do you call it?
Maasai.
Dancing. Maasai dance.
Though the hotel was ideal for relaxation and has accommodating staff, the beach was not ideal for swimming because of the huge amount of seaweeds that get accumulated on the beach. But you have a choice of going to Kimengwa with a daily free shuttle offered by the hotel. Life in Zanzibar is a unique and vibrant experience that's shaped by the island's rich history, diverse culture, and stunning natural beauty. But life in Zanzibar isn't without its challenges. The island has a history of poverty and economic hardship, and many people struggle to make ends meet. Despite this, there's a spirit of resilience and determination that's embodied by the people of Zanzibar who continue to find joy and beauty in their daily lives. Kimengwa Beach is known for its long stretch of white sand and clear turquoise waters. The beach is relatively quiet and peaceful, making it a great spot for relaxing, sunbathing, and swimming. But be aware that it may get bothersome when locals approach you, offering their products including the Maasai men who will follow and talk to you while you are walking on the beach.
While waiting for the bus, having a tattoo at Kimengwa, yeah?
Okay.
With Tina Shop. Hello guys, today is our trip to the northern Tanzania, but we'll pass by the Stone Town first, which is the capital of Zanzibar and a very historic place.
You must not forget the trip to Stone Town, the cultural heart of Zanzibar. This ancient city is a living testament to the island's rich history and diverse heritage. As you walk through the narrow streets and alleys of Stone Town, you'll discover a fascinating blend of African, Arab, Indian, and European influences. The architecture, food, and traditions all reflect this unique cultural fusion. Zanzibar doors are ornate wooden doors with carvings of geometric patterns, floral motifs, Islamic calligraphy, and sometimes animals. They are an important cultural heritage and tourist attraction and continue to be crafted by skilled artisans in Zanzibar. Zanzibar has a predominantly Muslim population, but there are also significant Christian and Hindu communities. The people have a long history of religious tolerance and coexistence, and there are various interfaith initiatives on the island to promote understanding and dialogue. One of the most iconic landmarks in Stone Town is the House of Wonders, a grand palace that was once the seat of the Sultan of Zanzibar. Today, it houses a museum that showcases the island's art, history, and culture. Another must-see attraction is the Furudhani Gardens, a bustling night market where you can sample a variety of local dishes and snacks, from seafood kebabs to sweet pancakes. As you explore the city, you'll also come across numerous spice shops, artisanal crafts markets, and historic mosques and churches. Forget to take a stroll along the seafront where you can watch the traditional dhows sailing in and out of the harbor. Another important historic building is the Old Fort, also known as Ngome Kongwe. This fort was built in the late 17th century by the Omani Arabs to defend the island against the Portuguese. It's one of the oldest and best preserved structures in Stone Town and a popular destination for tourists. Today, the Old Fort houses a cultural center that features exhibitions, music and dance performances, and other events showcasing Zanzibar's vibrant arts scene. It also has a courtyard with a few restaurants and shops, making it a great spot to relax and soak up the atmosphere. 19th century, Zanzibar was a hub of the East African slave trade. Slaves were captured from various regions of East Africa, brought to Zanzibar, and sold to traders who transported them to markets in the Middle East and Europe. The impact of this trade was devastating. Entire communities were uprooted, families were torn apart, and people were forced to brutal and inhumane conditions. The legacy of slavery in Zanzibar serves as a reminder of the importance of standing against all forms of exploitation and oppression, and the need to work towards a better, more just world for all. One of the most famous people to come from Zanzibar is the legendary musician Freddie Mercury, lead singer of the rock band Queen. Mercury was born in Stone Town in 1946 in a house located on Shangani Street. Today, the house has been turned into a museum in his honor and is a popular destination for fans of his music. One of the island's most fascinating natural wonders is the Jozani Forest, located in the central region of the island. Jozani Forest is a lush tropical forest that is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. It's the only remaining natural forest on Zanzibar, and it is an important conservation area for several rare and endangered species. One of the most famous inhabitants of Jozani Forest is the Zanzibar Red Colobus monkey, a species found only on the island. These playful primates are known for their distinctive red fur and long, fluffy tails. Visitors to the forest can take guided tours to observe the monkeys in their natural habitat.
I'm gonna take the boat going to Prison Island. Home of the tortoises will take 30 minutes, yeah?
Prison Island is also known as Canggu Island. It is located just off the coast of Stone Town and a popular day trip destination for visitors to Zanzibar. The island's history is both fascinating and dark, as it was originally used as a detention center for slaves in the 19th century. Later on, the British built a prison on the island, which is how it got its name. However, the prison was never actually used to hold prisoners, and instead, the island became a quarantine station for people with infectious diseases. Today, Prison Island is a beautiful and peaceful retreat that's home to several interesting attractions, including a population of giant Aldabra tortoises. These majestic creatures can weigh up to 200 kilograms and can live for over 100 years, making them a true marvel of nature. So, if you're looking for a unique and unforgettable experience in Zanzibar, be sure to add Prison Island to your itinerary.
These purchases come from Seychelles.
Actually, Seychelles is near our apartment on the second floor. So
Yes. And they have a mark on their backs that your age. That's the end of our tour, guys. Going
Yes.
back to
now we go back to the main Zanzibar island,
Yeah.
because you know Zanzibar actually consists of 50 plus islands, I think.
yeah.
So, and we're going to the biggest one.
Yep. We'll find our taxi.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure through Zanzibar. From the beautiful beaches to the rich culture and exotic wildlife, this island is a true gem. We hope you have enjoyed exploring with us and are feeling inspired to visit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel adventures. Until next time, kwaheri.